Hi, my dear grade 3. I'm back, and I'm so happy that I'm back teaching you. Yeah, I may not see you, but it makes me really happy, especially seeing you that you are very determined to do your homework, to do your work or task in Google Classroom or any online classes that we have. Okay, that is very good, grade 3. I'm so happy. So for today's subject, we have social studies. So for today's lesson, we have tools to determine locations and distances. So we can use various tools to measure distances between objects or places. Okay, can you please read with me? We can use footstep, the handspan, or we can use the ruler and many more here to measure distance or something. Okay, so basically there are two types of tools that can be used to measure distances. So what are those two? Okay, it is called standard measuring tools and non-standard measuring tools. So these are examples of standard measuring tools. So what is the first one? Yes, that is ruler. Okay, the second one, can you please say your answer out loud? Yes, that's great. That is measuring tape. And the third one is retractable measuring tape. And the last one, it is bigger or larger or longer than a ruler. So what is it? That is called meter stick. Now, standard measuring tools can measure distances with a high degree of accuracy. So if we use these tools, then that means our measurement is accurate, like very right, okay? Compared with the second one, or the second type of tool, okay? But we will talk that earlier, okay? Another here, standard measuring tools, example, the distance of a road is how long the road is. So we use standard measuring tools to find how long is the road. So we use the metric system of measurement, such as millimeters, centimeters, meters, or kilometers, okay? Another here, if we try to measure your pencil, so we can use ruler, right? Okay, so as you can see on the picture, how long is the pencil? Can you say out loud too? Again? Yes, very good. That's great. That is 8 centimeter. Okay, so it's accurate, so you know. It's because we use the ruler. That is called standard measuring tool. And these tools have different use or different uses, okay? So just like here, what measuring tools would be most efficient? Can we use ruler for measuring the car? It's bigger, right? If it's bigger things, do you think we can use ruler to measure it? No, so we cannot. Okay, now, how about tape measure? Of course, yes. That is the appropriate tool that we can use to measure bigger things, okay, bigger objects. So retractable measuring tape can stretch to measure bigger objects. That is why we need to know also what type of tool should we use to measure things, okay? We cannot put ruler all together to measure one whole car or the car because it's not really accurate, right? And it's not easy. So we need to use the right tool. Now, the second type of tool to measure distances is called non-standard measuring tools. Okay, so these three are examples like handspan, arm span, or pace. So they cannot give same results when used by different persons, as they have body parts of different sizes, right? For example, the handspan of Rio is different with the handspan of Hamza, or the handspan of Poon is different with the handspan of Chaim. So it's not accurate. So when we use non-standard measuring tool, it means it's not accurate. We cannot have accurate measurement. Okay, so how about this one? Can you guess what is this? Can you say your answer out loud? Of course, that's great. Very good. So I can hear you. I can hear you. Okay, so that is a compass. Okay. So a compass is a tool used to find directions. It consists of a magnetic needle that always points to the north, and that can move freely on a horizontal plane. It helps us to find directions easily and correctly. So it's also important, especially when you're going somewhere, especially when you're in the middle of the forest and you want to find a direction, then you can use compass, okay? Now, are you ready for a question? What tool would be appropriate to measure a toothbrush? What tool is it? Can we use compass? No. We need to measure how long is your toothbrush. Okay, so this time I want you to get your notebook. It's the same with your other subjects. Get your notebook or paper, then write your answer, okay? And show it to me in Google Classroom. Number 2, how about a guitar? What tool can we use to measure the length of the guitar? Can we use ruler? Have a guess, or what do you think is it? Okay, number 3, how about a school bus? If we want to measure the school bus, how long is it? What tool should we use? Okay, so you're done. So great job, dear students. You passed the lesson. Okay, yes, very good for listening this video lesson that I prepared for you. Now you have your activity. So I want you to look around your home and choose something that you want to measure using standard tool and non-standard tool. Okay? For example, you want to measure the length of your computer or the size of your computer using your ruler. Okay? Or the size of your phone using your ruler. Okay, you can measure like that. Okay, that is the standard tool, right? Okay, for non-standard tool, then you can also measure something using those examples of non-standard tool. So it's up to you, okay? Again, present your work through video. I want to see you, okay? And enjoy! Oh, we have more. Last one, your homework, okay? Don't forget to check your book and do page 109. Okay, that is your social studies book, okay? Bye. So again, bye-bye. See you next time.